Hello students, welcome back to our channel, Innovative Computer Classes. Today we will learn Introduction of Computer. Okay, let's start the class. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine, and it consists of four main parts. There are 1. Monitor, 2. CPU, 3. Mouse, 4. Keyboard. Uses of parts. Monitor. Monitor used for displays results. Keyboard. Keyboard used for types text. Mouse. Mouse used for selects items from computer menu. CPU. CPU uses performs all types of calculations. Other devices of computer. Modern computers are not limited to only 4 devices. Many other devices can be connected with them. Following are the devices that are commonly connected to computer. 1. Printer. A printer prints the data on the paper. Example. Railway reservation tickets that you get at railway station are printed using printer. 2. Hard disk. Hard disk stores large amount of data in it. It remains fixed within the CPU box, so it cannot be seen from outside. Example. Photos, movies, songs, pictures, programs etc. are stored on hard disk. 3. External hard disk. External hard disk also stores a large amount of data in it. But it is not fixed inside the computer. It is connected to the computer externally. Example. External hard disk can be easily removed from one computer and connected to other. 4. Pen drive. Pen drive stores small amount of data in it. It is externally connected to the computer. Example. Pen drive is commonly used for transferring data from one computer to another. 5. DVD drive. DVD drive stores data on DVD and reads it from there. Example. Movies, songs, photos etc. can be stored on. 6. Speakers. Speakers are used for listening to sounds and music. Example. Songs, music, speech etc. can be heard on computer by connecting speakers to it. 7. Microphone. Microphone provides audio input to the computer. Example. Microphone can be used for recording voice or talking to other people on computer. 8. Web camera. Web camera is connected to computer for visual input. Example. Web camera is commonly used for doing video conferencing. 9. Scanner. A scanner scans the documents and stores them in computer. Example. Photos, drawings, maps, letters etc. can be scanned by scanner and stored in computer. 10. Joystick. The joystick is used for playing games on the computer. Example. Joystick handle moves ships, airplanes, cars etc. in the game. Its buttons shoot arrows or fire the guns.